Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Sorry for the delay in videos. I was actually on vacation for 2 weeks. I needed a break. I'm just so busy, always working. I actually went out of the country and went on vacation. Had a lot of fun, saw a lot of cool stuff. So I am back to work. All the people that wanted to send amps in, feel free to give me a call. I have another AL811, TL922. This one's going back to the customer. Didn't want to fall through. An 811H. And some more arriving today. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. I am refreshed, all rested, and ready to rock and roll. And I will be back on, I promise. Everyone following this, I will be back on this, and I plan on bringing that grid-driven Tetrode in and getting some stuff done to that prior to it being sold. So I am back on it. Once again, phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119, and the website is amprepairguy.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. 73.